Hi everyone, if you're looking for a really lovely light blended day cream or something that's not as rich as sort of like a serum, I have got the perfect way of doing something really quick and easy. I've got here in this bottle here, it's a moisturising lotion base that I get here from Pure Nature. It's fantastic, it's all blended up, I don't have to muck around with it. I've also got a nice little bottle here of which I have extracted the cream there and put it into here, and the best way to do that I found was to just use a syringe, put it into there and then just slowly suck it up and then just place it back into a clean container. The blend of oils that I'm using is a blend that I've discovered that is just absolutely fantastic, and it's just 5 drops of rose, 5 of helichrysum, 5 of frankincense and 5 of geranium, which I've already mixed up. And into this I'm also going to put a couple of drops of vitamin E. So I'll just put that down into there. Just have a wee play around with the recipe to discover what your skin needs and what it doesn't, because you might find that the vitamin C is just a little bit too rich. And then from there, the next thing to do is with the blend of oils, which I've already done, is just to put those into the lotion. You could pre-mix it if you wanted to, but I just found that the oils all just go to the bottom anyway. And put the top onto that. How quick and easy was that? Fraction of the cost. I know exactly what's in this, and it is so lovely as a day cream. The other thing that you could do is you could put a little bit of cinnamon, of cacao powder into that, little bit of mica, and you could have a tinted day base, which is also very beautiful. I hope you've enjoyed that. Quick and easy ways of nourishing the skin. Thanks for watching.